I'm Jack, and these are the new electronic suction cups from Insta360. And in this video, I'm going to show you the key features and how you can get some really cool footage using them. Now, mounting these really couldn't be any easier. Simply push and hold them up against a smooth, dry and relatively clean surface. Then press and hold the button for 2 seconds and you'll hear the pump start creating a vacuum. Once it's done, you are ready to rock and roll. If you were to need even more stability and/or redundancy, you can opt to get the dual and/or triple suction cup kit, in which case you can exchange the ball joint for these NATO rails, and from there add a horizontal crossbar to the first two, a support rod to the third, and an action stick somewhere there in the middle, and well, that's really all it is to it. Now you've got one really secure mount and you're ready to hit the road. Not only are they easy to mount, but they are smart as well. Thanks to some clever sensors inside, this suction cup is constantly monitoring for any changes in pressure, and if it detects an anomaly, it will instantly kick on the pump and try to suck itself back onto the surface. This creates a very secure and very worry-free solution to mounting your precious cameras. This electronic wizardry is what allowed these beauties to grip so well, and Insta360 explicitly told me that these are good for some pretty bumpy roads. And that is a good thing, because I live in Jämtland, a province notorious for having Sweden's worst roads. Today, I've mostly shown you how to attach the suction cups to your vehicle. But let's be honest, these are really versatile mounts and will create a quick and secure attachment on almost any smooth surface. Like, I don't know, your fridge, or your bathroom mirror, bedroom window, guitar. Really, the sky is the limit here. So feel free to let me know how you would use these crazy strong suction cups down in the comments below. And while you're down there, feel free to ask us any questions you might have. But that's pretty much it for my part, and now it is your turn to get out there, get creative, and to think bold. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.